Hello, guys. In this video, we'll share the top 3 AI tools, each 100% reliable for solving math questions. You can even upload an image of the question to get the answer. So, let's get started. Tool 3. Before introducing the tool, let's test it with one of the questions we have here. Here is question 1. Let's take a screenshot of it. Now, go to Claude.ai. After logging in, you can use the Claude Sonnet 3.5 AI model for free. Attach the image here. Type, solve this question. Wait. The answer is generated. The answer is D. Let's check it. It's correct. You can use Claude to help you with math questions like this. Tool 2. Question 2. Let's take a screenshot. Now, go to ChatGPT. After logging in, you can use the ChatGPT 4.0 AI model for free. Attach the image here. Type, solve this question. Wait. It's generating the answer in parts. Let's ask it to continue. And again, continue. The answer is generated. The answer is B, which is -3. Let's check it. It's correct. You can use ChatGPT like this for math as well. Tool 1. Let's test with this question now. Let's take a screenshot. Now, search for Google AI Studio. Go to this link. After logging in, you can use the Gemini AI models for free. Here, change the model to Gemini 1.5 Pro 002. Now, attach the image here. Type, solve this question. Wait. The answer is generated. The answer is D. Let's check it. It's correct. You can use Gemini like this to solve math questions. Bonus tips. You can use libbench.ai to find the best AI models for math or other tasks. As you can see here, number 1 is O1 Preview, which is a paid ChatGPT model. Number 2 is O1 Mini, which is also a paid ChatGPT model. Number 3 is Gemini 1.5 Pro 002. And so on. Also, you can use LLM Arena for the same purpose. Here are the rankings. Again, numbers 1 and 2 are OpenAI O1 models. That's all. like, share, and subscribe.